So, bago tayo magtapos, gusto ko
Yeah.
lang sana, kung may message kayo sa mga kabataang Ginoy, ano yung maia-advise nyo sa kanila na gusto ring maging kagaya ninyo or maging parte ng showbiz industry?
Parang it's not gonna be easy. Madami kang hihintayin. You have to have a lot of patience. You have to be strong.
True.
Kasi this is not easy and it's not all glamorous.
Yes.
So, lakasan mo loob mo and have fun along the way. Even if mahirapan ka. Even you have a hard time.
Yeah, totoo talaga yung sinasabi na patibayan talaga yung industry natin.
Yeah.
Like if you guys think na puro ano lang siya like all rainbows and butterflies, like hindi talaga. You have to expect talaga na let's say sa 99 auditions, you have to expect na 98 doon hindi mo makukuha, isa lang yung makukuha mo. And parang that's the reality naman sa industry natin kasi ayun, not everyone's gonna appreciate you, not everyone's gonna like your company. Pero there will be people na mag-appreciate din
Yeah.
sa'yo. Kaya ayun, just always remember kung bakit gusto mo talaga yung ginagawa mo and always remember na you're doing this because eto yung gusto mo talaga.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
And we
Exactly.
appreciate you guys so much.
Yes.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much
guys.
for
Thank
being
you.
here.
Thank you, guys.
Yes.
Thank you talaga.
Thank you, Win.
Grabe.
Thank you, guys.
Ano ba, may mga gusto ba kayo i-promote? Siyempre, PBB Collab 2.0.
Ayan guys,
Big
big night na
night na bukas.
bukas. So ayan guys, please supportan nyo kami bukas. Bukas ng big night.
Madami.
Alam mo yung kapag yung may word count yung essay mo, tapos kailangan mong abutin.
Big night na bukas, kaya naman supportahan niyo
Yung
yung bukas
na ang
Big night.
I love it.
Ay, si Chat
Ang galing
GPT,
mo
hindi kayang
mag-record.
gawin yun.
Ilang words na yun?
Uy, ikaw naman.
Ilang minutes na tayo?
Madami pong mangyayari tomorrow. Kaya abangan niyo po yun. And hindi lang po tomorrow. Ay, hindi ko na kaya. Wait lang. Wait lang. Hindi ko na kaya. Ayoko na. Ayoko na.
Maraming mangyayari tomorrow, kaya abangan nyo
Tomorrow, dahil tomorrow na ang big night.
Bukas na ang big night! Kaya guys, panoorin nyo kami bukas kasi bukas na ang big night. Ayan, yes!
Kailan ang big night?
Bukas na!
At marami pang mangyayari kailan?
Saan? Big night na!
bukas.
Bukas!
Ang galing.
So much.
Yes, thank you guys!
Social media, baka i-promote nyo.
Yes.
Ayan guys, please follow me on all my social media platforms at John Clifford G.
And mine is at Winona Collins.
Yes.
Yan, thank you
Yay.
guys.
And of course, thank you then so much to Vault for having us again. You can visit them here at Tito's Latin Barbecue and Brew sa Green Hills. And you can catch the next episode of Triggered next Friday at 7 p.m. sa ATM YouTube channel, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Audible, ATM official Facebook page. And please do rate us 5 stars on Spotify and follow our official TikTok account, Triggered_ATM. At mapapanood nyo rin po kami sa Kapuso Stream every Sunday at 3:15 p.m. Thank you so much, mga ka-Trigger!
Thank you guys, mga ka-trigger!
See you next time. Bye, all.
See y'all!